Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have POCO X6 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do it is from main menu we must go to the Google Chrome, where we press three dots on the right corner and settings. Now we have password manager selection and there we can manage our Google passwords. We can turn on, turn off, function as save passwords, auto sign in, or we can easily custom or see our passwords which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We press there and we can copy our username, in this case email and passwords, and after we press this icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can custom it easily also. We press there and we can write something you need. We can delete it by trash icon and delete passwords, and we don't have any passwords right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.